Hey guys, what's up? This is What's a Tech, and this is Apple's all blue new iPhone 12. Yes, I know how I said it. This would be a very quick unboxing and first impressions video because thank you Apple very much for eliminating so many things out of the box that there's just less objects to look at. All for the environment, of course. Inside the box we have the iPhone, of course, a SIM ejector tool, just one Apple sticker this year, usually these come with two, and a USB-C to Lightning charging cable, which has been proven quite controversial because not a lot of people have the proper charging accessories for this yet, especially those that may be upgrading. As you may know as well, there are no charging adapters nor headphones. The blue iPhone 12 is a really rich blue, super saturated, pretty close to what you see online on Apple's website, as opposed to what you see when you look for the product red, for example. Those are the two colors I was really choosing or on the fence about, but I'm pretty glad I got this blue here. The red, if you've seen, has been more of a cherry red instead of a deep dark red. The box flat edge design is something I think we can all appreciate. I myself really appreciate it. I think that was actually the prettiest the iPhones have ever looked. If you may remember, this design was first debuted in the 4 to the 5S series of iPhones, as well as the iPad Pros recently. Again, I have to admit I may be biased here because my first iPhone, if you didn't know, was the iPhone 5. So seeing this is like seeing a bigger, better iPhone 5. And another thing that's immediately noticeable off the bat is that the bezels here, super small. Well, yeah, no, thinner, definitely thinner. Since this is the whole number 12 with nothing else, when you compare it to the 11, it is drastically better. You can still tell the notch is taking up a predominant part of the display, and that does make Apple look a little dated compared to everyone else. But if you're one of those people where the notch can just fade away, that shouldn't matter too much. And honestly, I don't think it matters too much to me, just only when you compare it to other competitors. It is definitely a nice return to form here, and already just feeling in hand, it feels remarkably better to hold. Check this out, it can even stand by itself, no assistance whatsoever. Setting up the phone was simple as always. Apple really holds your hand here. You have to choose between iCloud, Restore, PC, Mac, or iPhone transfer. I chose to do via the PC or Mac route because that's, to me, the best option still. Of course, you know it. I always turn True Tone off because I like my whites to blind my eyes at night. I don't have the MagSafe charging puck yet to magnetically attach onto the iPhone 12, but I will be getting it for my full review to talk about the MagSafe charging system or the magnets on the back of this. Speaking of the full review, let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see, or if you guys have anything concerns you want me to look out in particular. I'll be checking out the comments. Of course, standard fare, I will be checking out in the full review some simple stuff off the top of my head, like 5G, cameras, and the day-to-day usage of the device. But feel free to drop anything in that I may have missed. Let me know. I'll be checking out the comments, and I can't wait to see how this holds up for the little bit of time. It's really blue. I mean, it's really, really blue. Still waiting for Halo Infinite. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. And I know what you guys like the most.
Survive.